Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a sound transition on a Capcut PC. So I'm just going to get a video first here. I'm just going to make it a little bit quicker than it is. And then I'm going to select like a different video, maybe like a scenery one, like where there's clouds and stuff like here. And I'm going to add in like a video transition in the middle. Maybe like this one. So I want to add like a sound transition to it. So go to audio and go to sound effects and type in like whoosh. And just select the one that you like. And I'm just maybe, oh, that was loud. So sorry. Let's use this one. So I'm going to use this one and I'm just going to add it where the video transition is, and I'm just going to adjust it so it looks something like this. Maybe make it a little bit more here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.